はい、よしです。今日はこの野営キャンプのメインイベント、川下りに行きます。キャンプ地からは約5分で川に着きます。釣りにも最適。いつもは私たち2人なので、前回購入した2人用のゴムボートを使っていたのですが、今回は相方の姪っ子家族が一緒なので、個々のチューブを用意。Hey baby! Hey baby.
Yours doesn't get connected, but we can hold you. Don't worry about it.
Are we connecting to everybody?
Do me a favor. Who what? You, Roberto?
Yeah, what about him? What? Me what?
Come with this guy. Grab yours. You want to
Here.
get connected to your father?
Yeah.
Okay, come down this way. You gotta move up. Go ahead, move up. Stand up. Stand up in the water. Now move up a little bit. Go ahead. Go ahead. Now jump in.
It's in a lot of fun. It's in a lot of water. Already fun?
Elisa?
Okay.
Now it looks like you have toilet paper.
Oh, that's gross. Yeah. And then this thing, I go like this.
Ah, it's cold. Oh my god. The water is cold.
You'll get used to it.
Woo! Go, go.
God.
It's cold, right?
Yeah. Hey, baby. Darling, give me beer. Little Roberto, use a hand. Use a hand and go. No, around here is not that deep.
Okay. Not this cold. Is it like my size or no?
See, the thing is,
Oh, you bumped me.
we are going to, we'll be able to,
Hey. It's fun?
Yeah.
Nah.
yeah, you do that side. But it has to,
Ooh, my god, my god. Hi, I'm good. Hi, hello. Oh my god, tired.
Oh yeah. now you can relax.
Yeah, I need to catch up then. Oh my god. Almost there.
glory, we went out to dinner, you know. But then we said, let's come back to here.
Almost there.
And then we were, and
Hey.
instead of,
I made it. Thank you. I made it. I made it. I made it. Oh, it's not lazy. I'm so tired. Oh my god.
can you touch his diaper and see if,
I don't have a diaper. I don't have a pad on a diaper on me.
or you're going to stick his butt out?
Oh my god.
Because you have him wrapped up and it's like...
I don't have him
it's
wrapped
like
up,
100 degrees
Roberto.
in here.
No, it wasn't. It was
Not for
easy.
me.
So how
I
often
was
do you
going
do
for it.
this?
Well, this year, how many times did we do it this year? One time?
This is one time. So last year we did the two
Last year
time.
we did it like 3 or 4
So,
times.
Yeah.
so you come here, you set up your tent, and you just chill.
Yep.
Exactly. We drink beer. She drinks
Or
wine.
go to the winery.
We go to the winery.
Little
Go to the brewery, I
sightseeing.
get, you know, IPA beer.
Right.
And then when I come back,
Then chilling.
then we come chill out a little bit more.
Yep. Just relax. Woo! Yeah! It's fast.
So you have to say GoPro off.
Something like that. Start, stop,
Oh.
and switch on,
But it
switch off.
recognizes your voice, right?
Hmm?
It recognizes your voice.
I don't know, boys. Just what? Yeah, I set up the Japanese. That's why. Yeah, because I don't want to he bother me.
I'd be like,
So what do you, so now it's recording, right?
Yeah.
So now tell her to stop.
You want me to stop?
Yeah, tell her to stop.
GoPro video stop. 2時間ほどかけて3マイル約 5km をゆっくり下った後はキャンプ地に戻り、暗くなる前に夕飯の支度。晩ご飯は簡単にハンバーガーとスイートポテト。This is peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I'm toasted now. Because Lisa said toast is better, right? The guy is give to me. He said need to try. This is first time. I will try.
That's as American as American pie.
Peanut butter and jelly pie.
You know, I never really had like a half a sandwich.
I don't know.
You introduced me to
This is
something
good.
different yesterday.
Oh, all right.
Like a quick snack, you know?
Yeah.
And it was filling too, the half a sandwich yesterday.
Is it yummy?
You
What do you
like it?
think?
Yeah, I can eat, but
That's mixed, so you don't have too much of one or too much of the other one. It's like,
Little Roberta ready to eat?
it's like
Yeah, we'll eat.
Yeah. It's like half of both.
but the jelly is a little bit sour.
That's
And
what I was saying.
Peanut butter is so tasty now. My mouth is more peanut butter.
Yeah. So, like I was saying to you, that's why I like the peanut butter and the jelly separate, because one of the, if for some reason in when it's mixed like this, it's sour. It tastes salty. But if you eat it separate, you eat it
It's much
separate,
bitter?
and then you add them together. It's more sweet. It's better.
これが相方のメイがキャンプに持ってきていたピーナッツバターとジェリーが一緒になっているジャー。なぜかうちのクーラーボックスに置き去りに。キャンプ3日目。今日も川下りをしたかったんですが、お天気が悪かったので、近くにある人気の観光地、レイクジョージの街を観光することにしました。このチェアがアディロンダークチェア。この地域の名前ついてます。Darling, today's art and craft, not the farmer's market.
Well, we don't know. Let's see.
昨年たまたま見つけた日曜日に地元の物産を購入できるファーマーズマーケットに行きたかったんですが、どうやら今日はちょっと違う感じ。めいっ子ファミリーは地元のスイーツ屋に興味津々。お腹が空いたのでメキシコ系のレストランでランチ。Yummy?
You want a beer? No.
Yummy?
Yeah, it's really yummy.
Thank you. I love it. Okay, after 2 IPA beer. Sounds like that.
Yahoo! Come on, do a little dance now. Come on.
Okay, go, 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 go. Woo! Yay! Nice. Look at the step. 最後までご視聴ありがとうございました。アメリカでの生活やキャンプの動画を作っていきますので、ぜひチャンネル登録、コメント、グッドボタンをよろしくお願いします。また次の動画でお会いしましょう。では。